Hi, and welcome back to my 21 Gun Saloon. I'm a disabled veteran that likes to make drinks and I would like to share them with you. Today I'm going to take this Bird Dog hot cinnamon flavored whiskey and I'm going to mix it with the Mountain Dew Liberty Chill. What you'll need is 1.5 ounces of your Bird Dog cinnamon flavored whiskey and top it off with your Liberty Chill. Let's give that a quick stir. These videos are also my way to honor the memory of the men and women who volunteered or may have been drafted to serve this country. I will now raise my glass and pay my respects to Michael Edmondson. Michael passed away on August 3rd, 2024. He retired from the Air Force after 23 years of service. He called Virginia home. You may be gone, but you will never be forgotten. Thank you so much for your service. You will be missed. Okay, I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10. It's decent. I think the Fireball is better with the Liberty Chill than the Bird Dog. But let me give it another taste. Michael? Yeah, I'm satisfied with the 9 out of 10. On average, 22 veterans and soldiers take their lives daily. If you're having a mental health crisis and would like to receive help, call Mission 22 at 800-273-8255. These services are free, so call if you need any help. If you have had this drink and would like to rate it, please leave your rating in the comment below. If you would like me to dedicate an episode to a fallen veteran or soldier, email me at my21gunsaloon@gmail.com and I will dedicate it to your fallen hero. If you like the messages behind these videos, please like, subscribe, share them. Please help me spread the message of mental health awareness. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Since these episodes contain alcohol, please drink responsibly and do not drink and drive. Thank you and have a great day.